Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
And this is baby Annabelle, all growing up.
Yes.
Welcome to our disaster property. Remember last episode we told you about the balloon payment?
Yeah, so our loan had a 12-month term. At the end of that 12 months, the entire sum of the loan is due. And that's a lot of money. You know, normally we own a house for 6, 7, 8 months total, but for the first 5 months of owning this home, nothing happened while we waited for building and safety to approve the plans.
Which means right now we have to get rid of it.
Yeah, we have a little over 30 days until this loan comes due. So we have been scrambling to get everything done.
I had to get almost everything done in a matter of 2 days. I had to get electricity hooked up because we didn't have electricity, and you can't put a house on the market or take photos without electricity. I had that come through. You call SoCal Gas, which is the gas company, to turn on the gas. We had the Hearst test go through, which is testing if the AC unit is going.
Yep.
And we had to do public works, which means the drain to the street, and staging all in one day.
Yeah, it was a lot.
And electricity, they had a lot to do, but I wanted my chandelier hooked up on a beam. On the beam, because it was in the kitchen, and that was a lot of work. I had to run to Home Depot twice, and I put a strain a little bit on the guys, but it got done. They are heroes.
Another city department that we had to get approval from was Department of Sanitation. They require rain collection barrels, rain gutters, and a storm drain that takes that collected water out to the street. But in order to get approval from them, those rain collection barrels have to be feeding some sort of vegetation. So the landscaping had to be done. So I got all of the sod in the front. We planted another tree to match that big giant fern-looking tree in the front. And then we plant some plants in the back right by the rainwater collection barrels. And usually sanitation can take 6 weeks for approval. You send them photos and then you just wait. So I submitted photos of all the work we did on Friday, and then I got an email on Monday that they had approved it.
On Monday? That's like 3 days. Maybe our luck has turned around with this property.
Yeah, I hope so.
Staging is one of my favorite parts, as you know, but this time around I had to buy more furniture, and it didn't turn out to be quite such a happy experience. I went shopping with Elizabeth, which is fun. I got all the furniture. It was raining. I felt very proud of myself for not being pregnant and pushing furniture in a car. But I learned that a few hours after shopping at one store, unfortunately, there was a shooting and one of the customers died.
It's really sad. It's really awful.
Sad and scary. Yes.
The good news is all of our work is paid off, and we listed the home this weekend. I did my open houses, and what do you know? This morning, there was an offer in my email.
And I got a phone call that somebody else is interested in sending an offer.
Yeah, so fingers crossed more offers come in, and we really get rid of this house fast and at a very good price.
In the meantime,
be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Home with Isabel and James. Check us out at stonefarmenterprises.com, on Instagram and Facebook, and at isabelwagnerdesign.com.
see you next season at Denny.
Yeah, bye-bye.